Hello everyone, welcome to Solidum Lawyers, your channel for understanding the fascinating world of law. Today, we'll dive into the deep legal waters to explore what is maritime law. So buckle up your life jacket because this journey starts now. Have you ever wondered how a container full of goods travels thousands of kilometers to reach the stores where you shop? From the coffee you drink in the morning to the electronic devices you use, most of these goods have crossed oceans aboard massive cargo ships. This massive movement of goods is supported by a specific set of laws and regulations, maritime law. Maritime law is one of the oldest legal disciplines with roots tracing back to the first trade routes in the Mediterranean, and today it extends to every corner of the world. It governs essential activities such as the maritime transport of goods, navigation, the exploitation of marine resources, and even the protection of the environment in our oceans. In this video, we'll address 3 key questions to help you understand why this branch of law is crucial not only for coastal nations like Ecuador, but also for the global economy. What exactly is maritime law? And what are its main areas of application? Why is its proper implementation vital for the economy and international trade? What aspects should anyone working in sectors related to maritime commerce, navigation, or fishing consider? Get ready for a clear and practical analysis that will help you understand how maritime law impacts our daily lives and the legal challenges it faces in the 21st century. Maritime law is the branch of law that regulates all activities related to the sea and navigation. Its scope is broad and includes the transportation of goods. What happens if a container is lost at sea? Who is responsible if the cargo arrives damaged? These questions are resolved through international agreements such as the 1924 Brussels Convention, Hague Rules, and other updated legal instruments. Maritime contracts. This area governs essential agreements such as ship chartering, marine insurance, and leasing, ensuring that all parties involved understand their rights and obligations. Maritime disputes. From conflicts between ship owners and insurers to claims arising from accidents at sea, maritime law provides the legal framework for resolving disputes fairly. A practical example, if a ship carrying cargo from Ecuador to Europe suffers an accident that damages the merchandise, maritime law will determine who should compensate the cargo owner. This legal framework also establishes the jurisdictions and procedures applicable, which is crucial in a setting where actors come from different countries. In summary, maritime law not only regulates economic transactions, but also protects the parties involved and fosters stability in an industry essential to global trade. Ecuador, with over 2,200 kilometers of coastline and a strategic location in the Pacific, heavily relies on its relationship with the sea. Key ports such as Guayaquil, which handles a significant portion of the country's exports and imports, and Manta, with its growing capacity to accommodate large vessels, are fundamental pillars of our economy. Maritime law regulates a wide range of essential activities. International trade. Exports of products such as bananas, shrimp, and flowers constitute a large share of the country's GDP. Without a clear legal framework, maritime trade could face disputes and delays, adversely impacting both exporters and importers. Artisanal and industrial fishing. Thousands of families in Ecuador depend on fishing. Maritime law ensures that these activities are carried out within sustainable limits and with fair access to marine resources. It also establishes mechanisms to resolve conflicts between local fishermen and industrial fishing companies. Environmental protection. Ecuador is one of the world's most biodiverse countries. The maritime legal framework sets regulations to prevent waste dumping and protect sensitive marine areas, complying with international agreements such as MARPOL, the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Without these regulations, there will be a legal vacuum leading to chaos in maritime routes. directly affecting the national economy and jeopardizing the natural resources we depend on. The contemporary maritime world faces several challenges that require maritime law to evolve continuously. Here are some of the most relevant. Modern privacy. Although it may seem like a thing of the past, piracy persists in regions such as the Horn of Africa and Southeast Asia. Today, attacks are supported by advanced technologies, requiring more complex legal and security measures, such as regulating the use of armed guards aboard vessels. Impact of climate change. Extreme weather events like hurricanes and flooding are affecting maritime routes and port operations. Ports must adapt with more resilient infrastructure, and legislators must implement regulations to mitigate climate risks in maritime trade. Digitalization and cybersecurity. The use of digital platforms to manage maritime documentation, from charter contracts to insurance policies, has brought greater efficiency. However, it also exposed maritime businesses to cyber risks, such as hacking navigation systems and stealing sensitive data. Addressing these challenges requires not only strengthening existing laws, but also implementing new international standards to tackle modern threats. This demonstrates that maritime law is dynamic and adapts to the changing realities of a sector essential for a global economy. We've reached the end of this journey through maritime law, a branch of law that, as we've seen, is crucial to ensuring the proper functioning of the global economy, protecting our natural resources, and guaranteeing transparency and fairness in international trade. Maritime law not only connects ports and markets, but also plays a vital role in defending environmental sustainability, resolving disputes, and fostering balanced commercial relations. From the regulations governing the transportation of goods to the technological challenges faced by the industry, we will explore its importance and the need to stay informed. And in Solidum Lawyers, we firmly believe in the importance of providing clear and effective legal tools to those operating in this sector. Whether you work in navigation, maritime trade, fishing, or simply have an interest in learning more, we are here to answer your questions and offer the best legal advice. We invite you to participate, comment on your questions, your topics you would like us to address in the future videos, share this content with colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information, and of course, subscribe to our channel to continue exploring the fascinating world of law together. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video, where we will continue unpacking relevant legal topics with the clarity and depth you deserve. Until then, stay informed and keep sailing with us.